Hi guys, welcome back to VFix Technology. Hope all of you are doing great. Well, in this tutorial, I'll teach you how to create SMTP from Gmail and use it anywhere for any third-party services or in your website, right? So first thing, you'll have to log in into your Gmail account. On the right top corner, you see the profile icon. You may want to click over there. Then you're supposed to see an option, manage your account. Click over there, then it's gonna bring something like this. Now here, first, before creating the SMTP, we supposed to have a two-step verification approved. If you did not do that, make sure do it. Otherwise, SMTP would not work. First, we will have to apply two-step verification. Do that. I have already done it, so I can do that. After doing this two-step verification, scroll to the top, and on the top you can search app password. Then you're gonna see app passwords option. Click on it. Then it's gonna ask you to put your password. So put your password and verify that. So after putting the password, you're gonna see something like this. It has the option to create SMTP. Now you can say anything, website SMTP for test. Give any name for your reference and click on create. As soon you create it, you're gonna see a password for SMTP. Just a note, this password shows only one time. Once you click on done, this will be gone. So make sure you copy or take a picture and store it somewhere else, right? Click on done. The job is done. You are feel free to use your Google SMTP. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.